No days off.
Boston was rocked with record snowfall and historic flooding after a massive storm took hold of the Northeast. But despite the frozen conditions, players gotta play. The New England Patriots and Celtics Jaylen Brown proved that the phrase "no days off" runs true.
Hold it! No days off, team!
Jaylen stepped out into the icy cold to practice his free throw.
Beautiful. Beautiful there.
And the New England Patriots did some brisk walking in the snowy tundra, proving that neither snow nor rain can stop these players from scoring a win.
No